Yes, you. Yeah. Stop right there. Why don't you stop scrolling through all those videos out there? Want to know how I make money online? I bet you do. The world is adapting to the digital age. We are now in the 21st century, and people are embracing the modernization of digital marketing. People are beyond crazy thinking about maximizing their internet's advantage. One visible advantage is making money online. For instance, many YouTube influencers earn by having many subscribers, followers, and views to their uploaded videos. Some people are good at sales, so they own and manage their online businesses by selling, winning, and trending products using e-commerce website. And of course, let us not forget those people who offer their services online. To name a few, word smart people who use their writing skills and work as content writers. To those who are artistically inclined individuals, are working as graphic artists, website designers, or could even be video editors. All of these are because of digitization. Surprising as it may be for some, I have also seen a lot of people posting photos of their feet online for a living. Earning money online is open for all, whether students or housewives. What is so amazing about making money online is that you get to be your own boss. You get to manage your own time, and you get to decide when it's time to stop and relax. As a bonus, here's a quick 30-second tip that you should remember when you want to make money online without getting scammed. Remember to do your research. It would not hurt if you research the internet about the job itself. Know the company, what they do, and what services can you offer online based on your resources, skill set, and experience. Reading reviews online and joining forums are also very important. Be investigative and curious. If you want more helpful tips, subscribe to this channel. When you want to earn money online, it's best to make a list of all the websites that are legit or not and visit them individually. Most money-making websites will let you make legit money without the considerable time commitment if you're looking for a side hustle. Every business requires resources, either time or money, some both. The key is if you enjoy the work, it can seem passive. Surprising as it may be for some, I have seen a lot of people posting their feet photos online for a living. As for me, posting feet pics is the best service I could offer my clients since I am confident that is where I'm good at. I take good photos of my feet and make them as a living. Trust me, it works. Surely this video will help you realize that a foot fetish habit can make a huge cash cow. Aside from selling feet pics on foot exchange websites, you can upload the same photos to websites selling stock photos and videos to advertisers. You don't need to worry. After all, websites such as FeetFinder.com follow highly encrypted verification processes to ensure that the data is protected with utmost privacy and security. So, what do you think you can offer online to your prospective clients? Let us know in the comments section. For more information on how you can make legit money on FeetFinder.com, please subscribe to this channel and you will be notified as soon as a new video is uploaded. Let me know if you have any questions and I will happily answer in my next video. This is Estefania wishing you much success in your feet picture ventures and healthy exploration into whatever turns you on. Coffee, everyone?